Hi friends, after looking at a adder circuit, now let us see the subtractor circuit. This circuit is the subtractor. Subtractor, that is, if you want a V1 minus V2, it is equivalent to adding V1 with minus V2. The same concept we are using. We are adding V1 with minus V2, and hence we are going to get for V1 it will be R2 by R11 times V1, and for this it is R2 by R12 times minus V2, and hence the summing amplifier result will be R2 by R11 times V1 minus R2 by R12 times V2. Totally it is negation because of inverting amplifier being used here. Then how to get minus V2? Yeah, it's pretty simple. Use another inverting amplifier. The only thing is make sure to use both resistors equal value R R, apply V2 here. Therefore this is an inverting amplifier, this is R, this is R, so output will be negative this by this times V2, so we get minus V2. So this way we can create a minus V2, and this is V1, then we get here this. So it's a scaled version of two inputs subtracted one from other. And if you're not intended to have scaling, different scaling for each input, then yes, R11 R12 can be made equal, and hence this will become just minus V1 minus minus V2, that is V2 minus V1 will be the output voltage. Yeah, you are free to select different values here, that will add one more scaling factor. So we are free to manipulate the values of R1, R2, R11, R12, R. So many options are open. So with this, lot of combinations can be created. So you can continue adding any number of inputs, and if you want positive, just directly connect input to it. If you want negative, through an inverter, connect it, and that way it can be you can create some scaled version of the different inputs. So that's what we can say, R2 by R1I Vi with a negative sign. So this is what a general expression for this circuit. And if it is Vi is positive, we get summing. If some Vi gets negative, that gets subtracted, and you can generate any algebraic expression through this. So that's a linear activity. When you want squares and all, then we need to multiply. How to multiply, how to divide are the next issues to take up. So till then, take care. See you. Bye.